Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I wanted to share easy and simple mango pickle recipe. For this we need to select firm and sour mangoes. Wash the mangoes well and dry with a kitchen towel. Cut the mangoes into small pieces with skin on. Take 1 spoon of mustard and fenugreek seeds. Dry roast it, cool it and make it as a coarse powder. Now roasted mustard and fenugreek seeds powder is ready to use. Add salt, chili powder, over the cut mangoes and mix well. Heat the sesame oil. When the oil reaches the smoking point, add mustard seeds. When mustard seeds splutters, add hing. Add turmeric powder. Pour the hot oil into the mangoes. Mix well. Now add fenugreek and mustard seeds powder. Mix it well. Mix it well, cool and cover it and set it aside in a dry place for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you see the yummy pickle is ready. Transfer it into a glass jar and store it in the refrigerator. Instant homemade pickle is ready. Try this recipe and give your comments, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.